Hello, YouTubers! So, have you ever gone to a tire store and was asked, what size of tires do you want? Then you say to yourself, I don't know. So how can I tell my tire size? Well, today's video is, how do I know what tire size I have for my car? So let's get started. Let's take a look at 4 cars. The first car we'll look at is this Oscar Mike Jeep. Let's look closely at the tire. Look for a series of letters and numbers. So here it is, P255 75R17. I'll explain in a few minutes what they all mean. Our next vehicle is this Buick Enclave. This one says 255 65R18. The letter P means these tires are meant for cars, minivans, sport utilities, and light trucks. And the letter R means they are radial tires. Our next vehicle is this late model Mustang. And here it is, 235 50R18. So 235 means the width or the wideness of the tire in measurements of millimeters. And 50 means the height of the tire in percentage of the width of the tire. And 18 means the inside diameter of the tire or the rim size in measurements of inches. Our last vehicle is this Chrysler Town & Country. And here is our tire size, 225 65R17. And here we are again, 225 millimeter is the width or wideness of the tires. And 65 is the height of the tire in percentage compared to the width. Also notice, the higher the number, the higher the tire. And 17 is the inside diameter of the tire, or the size of the rim, 17 inches. So, if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, comment, or subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.